Hello, Mitchell Terrain Artists. It's Miss Carrie back with another art project for you. Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here today to do this project. We're going to be doing some printmaking with things that hopefully you have around the house. You're going to need a non-permeable surface. You can use either wax paper, or I have some aluminum foil here. You could also use saran wrap. So get a couple pieces of that, and then you're going to need some paper. Cut some pieces of paper that are about the same size as your piece of non-permeable surface. You're also going to need water-soluble markers, and you'll also need either a spray bottle or a little bit of water, just a little bit of water in a cup if you don't have a spray bottle. So get all your materials together. I'll show you some examples of some prints that I made. We're doing, so printmaking is when you put artwork or colors on one surface and then you print them onto another surface. And sometimes you can make multiple prints that are the same, and other times you make what are called a monoprint. So today we're going to be making monoprints, and monoprints are just a one-time deal. It's a one-time shot. They're a original one-time piece of artwork. So here is an example of one that I made earlier today. Here's an example where I drew some in the background and then I printed on top of it. So you can do that as well, since we're going to be using our markers. Here's some other examples. Here's one that my daughter did, and she did multiple prints on one piece of paper. So if you want to do a bigger one and put multiple prints on one piece, that's a great idea too. So this is how you do it. You take your piece of either wax paper or aluminum foil or saran wrap. You can use saran wrap as well, plastic wrap. And you just start putting your colors on. This process is a pretty loose process, so while you're welcome to draw something that's representational. You know, you want to draw, I'm going to draw a little face here. Just know that it's going to get a little bit blurry in the process, right? We're working with the materials we have at home. I'll make some eyes, some eyebrows, a little face. Okay. I'm gonna use another color. I'll do like a purple background, I think, for this guy. And you can draw whatever you want to draw. It can just be colors. Doesn't have to be anything representational. You do want to put a good amount of color on there with your markers. Let's see, I'm going to put a little bit more on this person's face. All right. So once you have your, and you can experiment with this, but I'll just show you the basic idea. So once you get your, whatever your artwork is done, you're going to either spray with a spray bottle, just get a little bit of water, and you don't want to spray very much, just like a light mist, right? Just to get it a little bit wetter than it already is. And then you're going to take your piece of paper and you are going to press down, and you're going to try and press down pretty quickly so that this doesn't move around. You want this paper to stay still on top of this paper, right? So you're going to lay it down and put your hands over it, and you're going to rub it really well, smooth it out. And then here's the cool part, here's the cool reveal. What do you think it's going to look like? Ooh. Turned out very interesting and mushy. And what I might do with this is I might wait for it to dry and then go back in and redo the eyes. I'm not waiting for it to dry right now, but anyway, I feel like you can have all kinds of fun with this. I would love to see what you guys do. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can just take a little bit of water like this, and you can do that with your hands. Make sure your parents know what you're going to do. You want to do it in a place that it's okay to spray a little bit of water everywhere, right? Anyway, I hope you guys have a really good time, and I would love to see the artwork that you make with this monoprint stuff you have at home, making monoprints with stuff you have at home. Thanks a lot, you guys. Be sure to post your images on Instagram. Ask your parents to post them at Mitchell Trina Visual. I would love to see what you make. Bye. Have fun. Take care.